What is the Earned Income Tax Credit on Jackson Hewitt? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. The Earned Income Tax Credit or EITC was designed to help taxpayers working hard to make ends meet. The EITC can reduce the amount of taxes you owe and can be refunded to you when the amount of credit is greater than your taxes. This means a bigger refund, and in many instances, that refund could be even more than you actually paid in withholding or estimated payment. The EITC is a refundable federal tax credit for eligible individuals and families who have earned income for employers, small businesses, side jobs, and self-employment. If you have children, you will use Schedule EIC to report the qualifying children for the credit. The amount of credit, whether you have children or not, is calculated on a worksheet and reported on Form 1040 as a refundable credit. To claim the Earned Income Tax Credit, you need a valid Social Security number. Your spouse and dependents must have valid SSN as well. The SSN must allow the individual to work. They must have earned income from working or someone else, or being self-employed. If married and file a joint return, you meet this rule if at least one spouse has earned income. One needs to be a U.S. citizen or resident alien all year. They must not have filed Form 2555 Foreign Earned Income or Form 2555 EZ. If qualifying children are used for the credit, they must meet the relationship, age, and residency test. If there are no qualifying children used for the credit, you may still qualify for some EITC if you are at least age 25 and under age 65 and your income falls within the EITC income range for your situation. Neither you nor your spouse can be qualifying child of another person or be claimed as dependent on another return. They must have lived in the United States for more than half of a year. Members of military or extended active duty outside the United States are considered to be in United States during the duty period. Jackson Hewitt is going to do all of these calculations for you. You simply have to answer some of the questions, and then it is going to determine if you qualify and how much credit you will receive. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.